Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Affirm on Amazon. First, start by opening Amazon and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, browse for the items you want to buy. Add them to your cart just like you normally would. Make sure your total cart value is at least $50 because Affirm is only available for eligible orders that meet this minimum amount. After you have added your items, go to your cart and review everything carefully. When you are ready, click on the button to proceed to checkout. This will take you to the payment section where you can choose how you want to pay. In the payment options, look for Affirm. If you do not see it right away, you may need to add it as a new payment method. Follow the instructions on the screen to link Affirm to your Amazon account. Next, you will be asked to apply for a payment plan. This process happens in real time. You will enter a few basic details, and in most cases, this initial check will not affect your credit score. Once approved, you will see different repayment plans. Take your time to review them and choose the one that fits your budget best. Each plan will show how much you need to pay over time. After selecting your plan, return to Amazon and confirm your payment method. Then place your order to complete the purchase. Thanks for watching.